The POCO F8 Ultra and F8 Pro were unveiled during a launch event in Bali, Indonesia. POCO F8 Ultra will be available in denim blue and black color. Phone feature a metal middle frame and carry an IP68/69 rating. The POCO F8 Ultra come with a larger 6.9-inch screen. Use OLED panels supporting 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. POCO F8 Ultra feature a 50-megapixel OmniVision Light Fusion 950 primary sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide 50MP5x periscope telephoto camera, a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The POCO F8 Ultra Edition could run on the newer Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Offer up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. The POCO F8 Ultra will include a 6,500 mAh battery, with support for 50W wireless and 100W wired charging. The POCO F8 Ultra priced at €699/$679/£549 for the 12GB per 256GB variant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.